Hey everyone, I'm very excited to see you here. In this course, you will learn everything about Java Stream APIs. This has been introduced in Java 8, and we are going to look at possibly all the aspects starting from very beginner level up to a level where you would be able to create some very interesting things by using Java streams. So without waiting, let's jump into it. So stream is basically based on the map, reduce, and filter mechanism. So I'll quickly give you a quick overview about these terms. So map is a term. If you look at the screen here, you get different a collection of objects, and then map basically converts them into a different type of object. So if you see here, you're getting 4 objects inside, you're getting same 4 objects outside. I mean, the number of objects are same, but then the type of object, or if you call in terms of the Java terminology, the data type has changed. Here we are uh, here we are having circles which are denoting a different object data type, and here we are receiving these squares which are denoting a different data type in Java. For reduce, this is basically used for aggregation of various objects and convert them into one. So for example, identifying minimum, maximum out of a list of integers, getting you in Java terminology using a comparator and find the maximum person who is withdrawing maximum salary and things like that, right? All of that you can do it using the reduce. And then last thing is filter. So in filter, you can put a condition, and on the basis of that filter condition, it would eliminate all the objects in the list which are not matching that specific predicate, or predicate is specific terminology in Java for the functional interfaces. We can, for now, to keep it simple, we can call it conditions. So various if conditions, you can relate it with that. If there are many integers coming in, and you put a conditions that I only want integers greater than 9, this works as a filter, and you would only get the objects which are greater than 9 for the next processing of streams. So this is going to be an interesting series of videos. I'm going to start from very basics, like creating how to create a stream, the uses of various stream API functions, which is map, reduce, collect, flat map, sorted, peak, limit, skip, count, max, all of these, right? We'll take an example of each of these so that you have a very good grip on these stream functions. I'm also going to show you the lazy loading, um, which is kind of so stream only works when you have a terminal operation at the end. But I'm going to go in deep into the lazy loading, and you'll understand it better there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take quite good numbers of examples, and we'll see how we will solve it using stream, and you will see the simplicity which stream brings in compared to the traditional uh, coding types. So you would eliminate all those for loops and everything, and you would still generate the results, or get this or solve the problems in very efficient way in very small piece of code. The functional interfaces, the next slides gives some more information about it. There are 4 functional interfaces which are added in Java 8. We'll go through those, and then at the end, um, this is about multi-threading. So I'll also show you how we can do multi-threading using stream, and we'll show you some example by doing that, and then some advantages and disadvantages of doing that. So this is going to be a really interesting series. The functional interfaces which are introduced in Java 8 are predicate, function, consumer, and supplier. I'll do a deep dive into each of these functional interface, but for now you can understand that there's default method, and what they accept and what they return in terms of the function signature. Okay, so let's start then.